This is the new KQi1 Pro. Let's take a look and see what's inside the box. It's all neatly packaged with styrofoam. On top, we've got some stickers, charging cord, charging brick, and user manual. Inside, you can see that everything is really neatly packaged, all styrofoamed and protected, no damage during shipping. I'll put the stem up, a little safety mechanism in here as well. That feels really firm. Inside, there is a small wire, which you're just gonna pull out, and there's an attachment that's gonna attach to the stem. So just take the two lines together, make sure they're lined up, and pop them into place. Pop, stuff the wire down inside. And there's the handlebar, nicely placed. Looks like I'm gonna need 6 screws to tighten it up. Just gonna wrap the charging brick and cord. And now that I've done that, inside I find the 6 screws. Plus it comes with the tool, a little Allen key wrench to screw these in. Let's plug it in. Charging port hole is at the top, right at the base of the stem here. Got that charging up. And while that's charging up, I'm gonna screw in 6 of these screws. The screws do come with blue Loctite already on, so I'm going to use that. Line up the holes and do this 6 times. The scooter also came with a quick start guide and a little attachment for blowing up the tires. So basically all I've got to do now is charge it up, check the tire pressure, and take it for a spin.